Lilong Sports Association Sindana Thasiki Kunga Manga Hodana Chayola Machupna, Lilong Usoi Pokpi the Leba, Lilong Haurebi College Ground, the Chatarakiba, Taramatoi Suba, Lilong Sports Week, Houkhiba, December Taramatoi, the Loisinkhre Galunina, Makok Matang Taraba Sanore Singda Manayan Tokre, Lilong Haurakliba Naharo Sing, Mayai Kaba Chinjakama, the drug Taki Laptok Nava Pandam, the Chatariba Sports Week Loisin Bagitoramda, Manipur Lengaki Power Department Ki Superintending Engineer, Global Excellence Awardee Dr. Mohammed Riazuddin Khan, LSA ki President Soiriba Treasurer and Account Department ki Retired Assistant Director Alhaz Mohammed Abdul Hai, Manipur Lengaki Water Resource and Fisheries ki Deputy Secretary MD Ismat Khan, Water Resource ki EEER Imtiaz, Mobet ki AE Abdul Karim, Technopal Machigi Ranch Forest Officer MD Salahuddin Khan, Lilong United Development Forum ki Advisor MD Nasir Khan, Atopaming Imam Minority Morcha BJP Manipur State ki President Mayum Askar Ali, Al Noor Foundation ki proprietor Alhaz Abdul Wahid, Lilong Usoi Pokpi ki Mufti MD Sabir Saha Amadi, Al Hayat ki proprietor Alhaz Ayub Khanna, President Member Singone Sarukyaki, Nupa Amasung Nupi ki Kanglop Haina Khaidok Laga Football, Kabaddi, Badminton, Tug of War na Chingba, Tongan ba even kayada Sanore Chamanga Hen bana Atoy Hentana Kibaduda, MYC Lilong, Ubak Tongna, Gold Tara Taret, Silver Tara Matoyam de Bronze Tarukpuna, Medal Kuntraga, Mari Pangduna, Overall Champion Oikre Lunena, CMD Ona, Gold Tara Mari, Silver Tara Taret, Amadi Bronze Tara Humdoipuna, Medal Nifu Mari Fangduna, Runners up Takre.